Testing on Android. Code should work correctly. Tests verify that it does. We have learned to build apps. Now we learn to test them. Today we explore testing strategies for Android applications. Tests catch bugs before users do. They give confidence to refactor. Change code, run tests. If they pass, you did not break anything. Tests document behavior. Reading tests shows how code should work. Tests save time. Manual testing is slow. Automated tests run in seconds. Tests are especially important in Android. Many devices, many OS versions, you cannot manually test everything. Unit tests run on your computer. Fast, no device needed. They test small units of code, a function, a class, isolated from Android framework. Instrumented tests run on a device or emulator. Slower, need Android environment. They test code that interacts with Android. UI components, database operations, real device behavior. Start with unit tests. They are fast and cheap. Add instrumented tests for Android-specific code. View models are ideal for unit testing. They contain logic. They transform data. They do not touch Android UI directly. Create a view model with fake dependencies. Call methods, assert state, class, users view model test, add test fun, load users, update state view model.usersat equals expected view model.ui state.value, mock or fake the repository. Control what data it returns. Test view model behavior. Coroutines need special handling in tests. Use run test instead of run blocking. It handles virtual time. Tests do not wait for delays. Run test brace val view model equals view model.load data advance until idle assert equals expected view model.state close brace advance until idle runs all pending coroutines. No waiting. Use test dispatcher for controlled execution. Replace dispatchers in tests. Standard coroutine testing tools make async code testable. Test doubles, replace real dependencies. A fake is a working implementation for tests. Fake user repository stores data in memory. It behaves like a real repository. Class fake user repository colon. User repository private val users equals mutable list of override. Suspend fun get users equals mutable list of override. Suspend fun get users equals users. A mock records interactions. You verify methods were called. Fakes are often better. They test behavior, not implementation details. Tests are less brittle. Compose has a testing library. Use create compose rule to set up tests. Add get rule val compose tests rule equals create compose rule. Set content and interact. Compose test rule dot set content brace my composable close brace. Find elements with matches on node with text submit dot perform click. Assert state on node with text submit dot perform click. Assert state on node with text submit assert is blade. Compose tests verify UI renders correctly and responds to interaction. Test pyramid. Many unit tests. Fewer integration tests. Even fewer UI tests. Unit tests are fast and focused. Test logic in isolation. Integration tests verify components work together. View model with repository. UI tests verify the whole screen works. Slower but important. Cover critical paths with UI tests. Balance coverage with speedway. Fast feedback, it's feedwild. Test behavior, not implementation. Focus on inputs and outputs. Keep tests independent. Each test sets up its own state. Name tests clearly. Should show error when network fails. Test edge cases, empty lists, error states, boundary values. Run tests often. After each change. Catch regressions early. Make tests deterministic. No random data. No time dependence. Let us summarize. Unit tests run fast, no device needed. Instrumented tests verify Android behavior. Test view models with fake dependencies. Use run test for coroutine testing. Fakes often work better than mocks. Compose UI can be tested with Compose test rule. Follow the test pyramid. Many unit tests, fewer UI tests. Testing builds confidence in your code.